Use this huge free traffic source to make money just like this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a huge free traffic source that you can use for affiliate marketing, that you can use for Digistore24 affiliate marketing, ClickBank affiliate marketing, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Kickstarter, or any other affiliate network. I'm actually talking about social media, but I'm not talking about Facebook, I'm not talking about Pinterest, I'm not talking about Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media. You will need to watch entire video to see what social media I'm talking about. And also I'm going to show you a best practices so you can get maximum free traffic from this social media. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche, and that niche should be something that you understand, something that you like, and also you need to research that niche to see the potential of that niche, to check the competition, and also to see are there actually any good products in that niche that you can promote. Second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote, and for that you can simply come here on ClickBank Marketplace. And let's say I'm in dog niche. So what I need to do, I actually need to scroll here and click here on home and garden, and then click here on animal care and pets. And here ClickBank will give me lots of dog related products that I can actually promote. And what you need to do, you actually, let me just move this here. So you actually need to research all of these products in order to find the best one to promote. Now, good thing about social media is you can actually promote multiply different products from multiply different affiliate networks. So if ClickBank doesn't work in your country, no problem. You can simply go on Digistore24, and here in search bar I can simply type, let's say, dog, and then click here search, and I can find dog related products here on Digistore24 that I can also promote on my social media. Also, what you can do, you can go on Amazon, and here in search bar I can just type dog and then press enter, and Amazon will give me lots of dog related products that I can actually promote and earn money with Amazon affiliate program. But before I show you the social media, first I wish to show you potential of this website. So when you go on SimilarWeb, you will see that last month this website got 271 million visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that more than 60% of their users are coming from tier 1 countries: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and Germany. So this website, this social media have a good potential for affiliate marketing. Now, the website that I'm talking about is Tumblr. Tumblr is something between social media and blogging platform. So if you are, for example, a writer or photographer, or you simply like your dog and you have lots of photos of your dog, you can come here on Tumblr and you can start your blog. And good thing is, because this is a social media, you can get followers, and that means that you can actually get a guaranteed free traffic to that blog. So I'm actually going to show you best practices to get followers here on Tumblr and to get a free traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate products. So for example, what you can do, you can simply come here in search bar and let's just type dog, for example. And here you can see hashtags or most searched terms, and here you can find people who actually have dog related pages and profiles. And you can follow these people, and some of these people will start following you back. Or you can simply click on one of these search terms, for example, dog of the day. And here you can see top photos and videos and GIFs on Tumblr related to dogs. So what you can do is you can simply click here on notes. Notes are basically engagement on Tumblr. And you can simply start following all of these people who reacted on this post. And some of these people will start following you back. But by far best option is to actually start sharing viral content, because those followers are most targeted and also those are active followers. Here you can see you can share a text. So like I said, if you're a writer, you can write a good article and you can share that article here on Tumblr, and always add hashtags. Hashtags work really well on Tumblr. And people will start liking that and sharing, and you will start getting followers. Also, you can share photos. You can share photos from internet, or you can simply upload photos. Like I said, viral content is the best. So to find viral photos, you can simply go on Instagram and find dog-related pages in this case. And then find photos that went viral. So let's say, for example, this photo, this looks like a cute puppy. So I just need to click here on this photo. I need to copy the URL of this photo, go on this website here, igram.io, paste that URL here, click download, give it a few seconds to actually process this, and then you simply need to scroll here, give it a few more seconds, and then you need to click here on download and download this photo on your desktop. And this is really important. You should always ask for permission to use these photos, to re-upload these photos. And from my experience, about 90% of people will give you permission to re-upload their photos on your social media as long as you give them credit. Now, good thing about these big Instagram pages or medium-sized Instagram pages, they always give credit to the person who created these photos, so you can contact them. So for this example, I will just copy this, Ctrl C, and I can click here to upload images. And I need to find, this is the image, and I need to say here, puppy eyes, and a few emojis. And you need to add the credit to the person who actually created this. So let me just, for this example, I will just copy this, and I will paste it, okay, here, and I will say something like this. I will delete this, IG. Okay, and this is J, and click here, okay? And like I said, you need to add hashtags. Let's just say dog, okay, dog, another hashtag, dog again, so dog, okay? And all you have to do now, just click here on post now, and you will share this photo of the cute puppy that will most likely go viral on Tumblr. Another thing that you can do is you can actually share a quote. Now, quotes work really, really well. They are easily going viral on all social media, on Tumblr, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on Twitter, and so on and so on. Now, to find quotes, dog-related quotes, in this case, you can simply go on Pinterest. And here in search bar, I can simply type, for example, dog quotes. And Pinterest will give you lots of really good, really catchy and easily going viral dog-related quotes that you can use. And also you can find, for example, 24 quotes every dog mom will love. Click here, and then you can simply click here and go on this website and find these 24 quotes, and you can simply share those quotes. Now, I already prepared one quote, so I can simply copy this, go back on Tumblr, and I can paste my quote here, and then I can add a few hashtags. Again, like I said, you need to add hashtags. They work really, really well on Tumblr. Click here on post and share that quote here on Tumblr. Another thing, you can share direct links. Now, best practice is to actually make a bridge website, because bridge websites have better conversion rate, but you can share direct affiliate links. You can start chat, but one of the best options is to actually share a video. So click here and you can upload videos if you have permission. Again, you can go back on Instagram and you can then click here on Reels, and you can see which of these Reels videos actually went viral, and you can ask for permission and upload those videos on Tumblr. You can also click here on videos, and again, same thing. See which of these videos actually went viral and ask for permission and go back on Tumblr and re-upload those videos. But you can see here, add a video from the web. So what you can do is you can simply go on YouTube, and here what I can do, I can simply type dog and then click here on search and click here on filters, and let's just say this month. And again on filters and click here on view count to find the videos that have most views in past 30 days. For example, this video here, this is a short and it has 11 million views in past 3 weeks. So this video is going viral. And all I have to do is just copy the URL of this video, Ctrl C, so let me just pause this, and go back on Tumblr, click here, paste that link here, okay, click here on insert, give it a second, and as you can see, it directly fetched this video from YouTube. You can add something here, you can add some description if you want, and like I said again, you need to add hashtags. Hashtags work really, really well on Tumblr, and all you have to do now, just click here on post, and you will share this video on Tumblr. And like I said, these are viral videos that are going viral, and that means that they will easily go viral on Tumblr as well, and people will start liking your post, they will start engaging with your posts, and you will start getting followers. And that means every time you share a new post, people will see it. And like I said, when you share a link, people will start clicking on that link and you will start getting free traffic and people will start buying the product that you are promoting. So this is how you do affiliate marketing in 2022 as a beginner by driving free traffic from social media. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.